Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, all of you. Welcome to all Take a What Make a Sentence website once again. My dear elder brother, everyone, they has come to meet with me in my camp. That's why I'm really happy. I'm really excited at this moment. And not only that, we drink tea together. That's a shop, and that man he know how to make tea. That's why they has come to make drink tea. And I'm really appreciated at this time. Hope everybody will like, comment, and share these videos. And Nobel brother, and that one Nuruddin brother, Israfil brother, Zohirul brother, and everyone really inspiring me every single day. And they inspired because I'm learning English. That's why everyone like me too much. And I'm also like them because they are inspiring me every single day. It's a very great opportunity for me. That's why I'm learning English. And one day I will be an Englishman. They're telling me, brother, please say something.
ওকে, আপনারা সবাই ওনাকে সাপোর্ট করবেন। আমার সারোয়ার ভাই, উনি ভালো ইংলিশ বলে, কিন্তু ওনার মতো আমরা ইংলিশ অতটা বলতে পারি না। আমরা আসছি অন্য ক্যাম্প থেকে, কলিগের কাছে। তো আমরা 5 বন্ধু নিয়ে আমরা আসলাম। তো সকলেই ওনার পাশে থাকবেন, ওনাকে সাপোর্ট দেবেন। খুব ভালো মনের মানুষ। সকলকে ধন্যবাদ। আমাদের ভিডিও দেখবেন এবং বেশি বেশি করে শেয়ার করবেন। মোস্ট ওয়েলকাম।
Thanks. Many thanks for your inspire. Best wishes for everyone. And I am going in front of our Thuk Nong gate. And this place, everybody you know, it's a famous place in Sylhet, means King Gorgobindro Hill. That's why they came here to visit this area, and I'm enjoying with everyone. And I know how to invite a friend and how to take care of a friend, and they're really happy for my hospitalities and everything. and my elder brother, his name is Muhammad Israfil brother, and he know how to love younger brother, how to inspire younger brother, and that's why we are really happy because we got a elder brother like him. That's why I am so happy, and my brother, everyone excited at this moment. That's why I'm making videos and walking. And please wait, we will reach our destination. Our destination main is Thunong gate, and near I has come near the gate. At this time I will show you my another brother. His name is Muhammad Mushur Rahman. Have a look. Brother, please. Really, he won best one. He best one, Muhammad. Yes. He is a best one. His name is Muhammad Mushur Rahman. Keep watching. Hey, brother, please look here.
এই যে লোক ইয়ার না বেচারা তো ইংলিশ
I have to finish here, and I always pray for everyone because it's a very good opportunity for me. Everyone love me too much, and they love me too much, and I'm preparing my next game, what I will do. Please pray for me, and best wishes for everyone. You can raise your hand. All the best.